Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard from custard powder. First, gather your ingredients: custard powder, sugar, milk, and a saucepan. Measure out 2 tablespoons of custard powder and 2 tablespoons of sugar. You will also need 2 cups of milk, but remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of that milk for later. This initial setup is key for a smooth process. Now, let's create the base. In a small bowl, combine your measured custard powder and sugar. Next, gradually add the small amount of cold milk you reserved earlier. Whisk or stir this mixture continuously until it forms a completely smooth, lump-free paste. This step is crucial for preventing lumps in your final custard, so take your time here. With your paste ready, heat the remaining milk in a saucepan over medium heat until it just begins to simmer. Do not let it boil vigorously. Once simmering, slowly pour your custard paste into the hot milk while continuously whisking. Keep stirring constantly for several minutes until the custard thickens to your desired consistency. It should coat the back of a spoon. Once your custard reaches the perfect thickness, remove it from the heat. Pour it into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl and allow it to cool slightly. You can enjoy it warm or chill it in the refrigerator for a refreshing cold dessert. It's delicious plain or with fresh fruit. Also, for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.